Drones deliver medicine in small Irish town. Manna Aero, an Ireland's health service executive, are testing the use of drones to deliver medicine to people in a small town during the coronavirus pandemic. After a video call with a patient, local doctors write a prescription and send it by email to nearby pharmacists who prepare the medicine. The medicine is then put into a drone, which flies straight to the patient address and uses cameras to find a safe place, like a garden or driveway, to lure the delivery. To help stop the coronavirus, Ireland has told its citizens to only go out if they need to. And it also asks people over 70 and other high-risk groups not to leave their homes at all, and get things they need from friends or family, or from delivery services. Fidelma Gleeson, age 70, received one of the drone deliveries, reports the BBC. I thought I would never see the day that there would be such technology that I wouldn't have to driving into town and back up to get my medicine. Brilliant, she said. Each drone can carry up to 4 kilograms, and Manna Aero says that one drone could make as many as 100 deliveries a day. In March, the company had planned to test its drones for delivering ice cream and Thai food around University College Dublin. However, that plan was cancelled because of the pandemic.